Hey, hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be drawing Casper the Friendly Ghost. All you need is something to draw with, some paper, something to colour in with. So I hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Alright, so I'm going to start off drawing Casper's head. Now he's got a quite round, big head, so I'm going to draw a nice big shape. I'm going to leave the bottom open a little bit because that's where it joins his body. I'm going to stop there like that. Now I'm going to draw a bit of a cheek there, so it's a bit of a curve that goes like this. And let's draw his face. So let's draw his nose. His nose will follow kind of a line from this point across, and it's just a bit of a curve there like that. And you can see a little bit of the bridge of the nose like that. His eyes, nice big ovals, and his pupil, again another oval in there. And we'll do the same on the other side, just because the way he's looking is going to be on a slight angle, and it's a little bit smaller. And then put the pupil in the eye there as well. Just like that. Now he's got two eyebrows, and so one eyebrow is quite high in his head, so it'll be sitting about here, like that. And then another one on the other side there, like that. Now we draw his mouth. And so first of all, we're going to draw the corner of the mouth. It's just a bit of a curve, so it's kind of the cheek, again, pushing up his cheeks. And we're going to draw one big line like that. And he's got his mouth open, so we're going to draw another curve here, like that. And then we draw his tongue in there, like that. Alright, so that's Casper's face. So let's draw his arms. He's the way that we're drawing it, he's flying, so we're going to draw two arms, one sticking out here and the other one sticking out there. Now let's start drawing the arms. They kind of go out from his head, and we'll do a smaller curve there, like that, about there. And now let's draw his fingers. So he's a typical cartoon, so he's got 4 fingers. We'll draw one finger like that. And the fingers are all kind of different angles. That just makes it look interesting. So he's kind of got his hand open like that. We can see his palm, and then his thumb is sticking out, kind of like that. Now on the other side, his hand is a little different. It's open, but he's showing his palm facing up. So we're just going to draw his 3 fingers like that, and then his thumb sticking like that. And with the thumb, you can just continue the line, because that's his arm, and that will join up to his head. And then we just draw the other side of the arm. It's a little bit longer because it's stretched out, and it just stops here, just before the end of his chin there. And now, because he's a ghost, let's draw his body. He doesn't have any legs, but he's kind of flying. So we'll do a nice curve like that. And then we'll carry on the curve from here up to there. So it'll be a little bit thinner, and it'll slowly get thicker and thicker until it matches that width there. And then curve around, we'll join up with his arm up there. And there you go, there's Casper the Friendly Ghost. Now to colour him in, he's pretty easy because he's a ghost and he's all white. The only bit of colour that we add in is his mouth, so you can colour in his tongue a little bit red, like that. And there you go, that is Casper the Friendly Ghost. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing Casper the Friendly Ghost. Check out our channel, we've got other drawing videos for you to enjoy as well. See you next time. Bye.